Welcome back to Principles of Accounts. This is our second video on the introduction to accounting, and today we want to look at some key terms in accounting. Last class we looked at what is accounting, we looked at the process of accounting, we also looked at, you had some homework really to tell me the careers in accounting, the uses of accounting. I hope that was done. Let's move on now to some key terms that we will need to form the basis of accounting. So we're going to be looking at assets, liabilities, and capital. It says here that assets are resources in the business, and there are also two types of assets: fixed and current assets. Now, to define fixed assets, said that fixed assets are of long life and are bought to be used in business. They are not bought for resale. Fixed assets are also called non-current assets. Examples of fixed assets are motor vehicles, fixtures and fittings, building, machinery, premises, and office machinery. Later on, you will also learn that fixed assets are listed in order of permanency in current assets. Current assets are of short life and are used into the day-to-day operations of the business. Current assets can be listed in order of permanency or liquidity. I give you an idea. So we have four at this level. When you're going to start in accounting in fourth form, you're going to be learning about current assets as we did just now and the types of current assets. And at this level, there are four types of current assets and listed in permanency, meaning the hardest to be converted to. So we have stock, another name for stock is inventory. We have debtors, our accounts receivables. We have cash at bank and cash in hand. And once more, asset listed in order of permanency means the hardest to be converted to cash or the hardest to be liquidated. And current assets listed in the order of liquidity means we're going to start from the bottom. So if we look back here, we see where we started at stock, then we go debtors, then we go cash at bank, and then cash in hand. Now we are going cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, and stock. Current asset listed in order of liquidity means the amount of time it will take to convert to cash or to liquidate. We also have liabilities. Liabilities are resources, money owed or money owing by the business. There are two types of liabilities. You have fixed current liabilities and long-term liabilities. Current liabilities are of short term to be settled within a fiscal year and can be paid cash. Examples are creditors and small loans, long-term liabilities, also known as non-current liabilities. And we have an example of long-term loans. Capital and drawings. Capital is the resources is the resource that you use to start your business. Drawings is the resource is resources taken out of the business for personal use. Supplies are often used to describe the resources in the business, fixed or current assets. And I think that is